In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Unisolate command in AutoCAD step by step so you can quickly bring back any objects that were hidden or isolated in your drawing. This is a super useful command when you're working on detailed plans because sometimes you isolate one area to focus on it and then later you need everything visible again without hunting for hidden layers or manually turning objects back on. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the right project. This matters because the Unisolate command will affect the objects in the current drawing, so you want to be sure you're working in the right place before making any changes. Now, go down to the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. This is where you can type commands directly instead of searching through menus. Type UnisolateObjects and then press enter. AutoCAD will immediately restore all objects that were previously hidden or isolated. In other words, anything you temporarily remove from view will come back on screen. This is especially helpful if you used isolate mode to focus on a specific part of your design and now want to return to the full drawing. Instead of manually turning layers on or trying to remember what was hidden, this single command does the work for you in just a second. If you don't see the objects return right away, make sure you pressed enter after typing the command and check that you are in the same drawing session where the objects were isolated. Once it runs, your full drawing should be visible again, making it much easier to continue drafting, reviewing, or presenting your design. And that's it. That's how to use the Unisolate command in AutoCAD. It's fast, simple, and a great time saver whenever you need to restore hidden or isolated objects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy AutoCAD guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.